Hey guys, today this is an update video, so I'm gonna talk about you. I'm gonna talk about what I'm going to be doing on my channel. I'm gonna be talking about my new channel and my old channel. Oh, I'm the cop. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about my new channel, my old channel, my previous channel. Oh, so yeah, so on this channel, we're about to start. About to start doing just like gameplays. Okay, so guys, so basically we're going to be talking about on this channel is gonna be gameplays, gaming videos, and I'm gonna start doing story times. Start deleting some of my old videos. Start putting new videos, guys. And I'll also be doing just like how to get tutorials, how-to tutorials, DIYs, some even Roblox videos, some even how to get Robux. Okay, guys. But on my other channel is with some friends, and one of them, I'll just put all the channels in the description below, guys. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna be doing that. We're also on that channel. We're gonna be doing gameplays. Yeah. If you guys want to know what I'm doing, I'm going basically going to be doing Steven Universe theories, which I'm already starting to do on this channel. Okay. It's basically game theories about Steven Universe. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. Some of my friends are going to be doing story times, gameplay, animation, speed art. I'm gonna be doing the live streams and giveaways, so tune into that channel to get some giveaway stuff and live streams. Just live stream too. So yeah, then on my previous channel we basically did all this game. We just played games. Games only. 29. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. Just enjoy the video. Enjoy the gameplay. Not gonna catch me, he's not gonna catch me. And I'm cop, as you guys can see, I'm cop. Right there, I'm cop. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The clown has died. Woo! I didn't survive. Oh, I survived. Phew. So, guys, that'll be all for today. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and peace.